Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Doctor. Today I'll show you how to send GIFs in WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. You'll see your chat list here. Tap on any conversation you want to send a GIF to. Now, look at the bottom of your screen where the text box is. You'll see a sticker icon right next to it. Tap on that. Once you tap the sticker icon, you'll see different sticker options. Now, tap on the GIF tab at the top. This will open the entire GIF library for WhatsApp. You can scroll through the trending GIFs, or you can search for specific ones using keywords. Just tap the search bar and type something like happy, bye, or thank you, and all related GIFs will appear. Once you find the GIF you want, simply tap on it and it'll be sent instantly to your chat. It's that simple. And that's how you send GIFs in WhatsApp quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to Digital Doctor for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching.